The dollar is extending declines.
The U.S. dollar is extending declines.
The dollar continues to be on a decline.
U.S. dollar.
U.S. dollar.
The U.S. dollar.
U.S. dollar. The U.S. dollar.
As we enter 2023, the U.S. currency, also known as the dollar, is facing a number of challenges and uncertainties. The global economic landscape has shifted significantly in recent years, and the U.S. currency is no longer the dominant force it once was. We will explore the current state of the U.S. currency and what the future may hold. There have been discussions and proposals in the past for a common currency among the BRICS nations Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa to reduce dependence on the U.S. dollar and increase economic cooperation between the member countries. BRICS could reduce dependence on the U.S. dollar as the dominant global reserve currency. Also, it could provide an alternative to the International Monetary Fund (IMF) and World Bank, which are dominated by Western countries. The Federal Reserve has also taken steps to stimulate the U.S. economy, which has had an impact on the value of the dollar. Because BRICS could increase the influence and geopolitical power of the member countries, the dollar is backed by the U.S. government. But there have been concerns in recent years about the country's debt levels and its ability to maintain its fiscal stability over the long term. William Ruto of Kenya is suggesting that people and investors should release their U.S. dollar reserves because its value is declining swiftly as a result of worldwide events. The U.S. currency is also facing increasing competition from other currencies. The Chinese yuan, for example, is becoming an increasingly important currency in global trade, and some experts predict that it could eventually overtake the dollar as the world's dominant currency. Other currencies, such as the euro, also pose a significant challenge to the dollar's dominance in the global economy. The U.S. currency remains a key player in the global economy. It is still used as a reserve currency by many central banks around the world, and it remains the primary currency for many international transactions. The strength and stability of the U.S. economy, as well as ongoing efforts to maintain fiscal stability and promote economic growth, are key factors in the dollar's continued importance. Looking to the future, there are several factors that will impact the value and stability of the U.S. currency. The ongoing impact of the pandemic, increasing competition from other currencies, and concerns about fiscal stability all pose significant challenges. The U.S. government's policies and actions, particularly with regard to fiscal and monetary policy, will also be important in shaping the future of the dollar. In conclusion, the U.S. currency is facing a number of challenges and uncertainties as we enter 2023. While it remains an important currency in the global economy, it is no longer the dominant force it once was. Cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, has had a significant impact on the global financial landscape in recent years. One area where its impact is particularly noteworthy is on the U.S. dollar, which has traditionally been the dominant global reserve currency. Cryptocurrency has emerged as a new asset class, with some investors viewing it as a potential store of value or a hedge against inflation. This has the potential to divert investment away from traditional assets such as the U.S. dollar, which could have a negative impact on the dollar's value. However, the U.S. economy remains strong, and ongoing efforts to promote stability and growth suggest that the dollar will continue to play an important role in the global economy for many years to come. Tell us your thoughts and comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more informative videos.